Ron and Greta from Wuhan Kabi Construction Equipment Company. Today I would like to introduce to the SANY Scissor Lift SPS1212HA, a top product from SANY, a world-leading construction machinery company with over 30 years of experience, headquartered in China. SANY operates in more than 150 countries, known for creating safe, efficient, and intelligent equipment. First, let's look at the key specifications. The SPS1212HA have a max working height of 40 meters and a platform height of 12 meters, and its grade of mid to high altitude tasks. It can support 2 people working indoors simultaneously, and its stability feature like 25% slow climbing ability and anti-tire protection ensures safe solo operation.
In terms of productive, it has 350 kg related reload and include 120 kg for the extendable platform, and its full-sailed AC lifting motor is efficient and energy-saving. The moderate design cuts main content costs and features like bidirectional forklift, hill and swivel out battery component make it easy to use.
And durability, it has an anti-rust finish and waterproof external component and a widened fold framework and smart safety system like real-time fault diagnostics. In concluding with its 14 meters max working height and 12 meters platform height and 2 people indoors competing, the SANY SPS1212HA is a reliable, productive, creative partner for your operations. Keep the exciting in it in action. Contact us for a zoom of tile specifications. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next project. Bye bye.